money and close.
Got German? Yeah, we got German. This guy over here is yelling at me. Why are you yelling at me? Stop yelling. Let's see, which one should I press? 1, 2, or 3? I'll choose 3.
Super and dry. $8.
$8.
Please proceed and watch.
Okay. Not that much gas. Watch. Spray it. Yeah. Oh, damn. I was gonna reverse. Drive forward. And there's sun. There's lots of sun. What do you think, German? Thinks it's a good day?
This sun sucks.
The sun sucks. Can't see crap.
Carmelo Anthony possibly going to the Lakers. Official.
Yep. Carmelo Anthony, I have no idea who that is, but it sounds like a good guy. Sounds like a great guy.
That sounds good.
It smells like bubble gum. Oh, you're so gay.
Oh, what? You put the child like
go ahead, dude. Oh, wait, it's going. Let's clean the white wipers.
Peekaboo. Oh.
I don't know. Oh. He's coming. He just keeps. Oh! Wrong side. Just coming on your side now. Why are these wipers keep wiping? Are you trying to get soap in my truck? Yeah. Got crack? Yeah, we got crack. He's gonna. Oh, he's gonna.
Nice, thanks.
I beat you. I don't think this car wash is taking its time. It needs to take longer. I can't see anything. There's suds.
Windshield wipers.
Got wipers? Oh, wait, no. It's doing its thing. Let it do its thing. Oh, it's still doing something.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
No, my screw! What is my screw? This has to be G-rated. It's going on YouTube.
It's not bad. It's a proper
Uh-oh. I'm getting a phone call from Lewis. Hey, buddy, let me give you a call back. I'm gonna get my truck washed. Wrong sensor. Yeah, let me give you a call back to say. Let me. Yippee! It's sunny and I can't see anything. Except for German's face.
Yummy.
German's face is yummy. Yep. Now what is it? Oh yeah.
In your window.
Oh. Wrong way, Willie.
In your window.
I found out the trick to this wash. It's not 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch this. Still going. And there it goes. Finally shuts off. Well, let's see what we got here. E-brake on. German's texting. Let's see what we have. Nice, clean Trailblazer. Yep, get all that New York gunk off. Make it nice and clean. Looks good. Yeah, back could be a little better, but it's okay. Hey, who's in my truck? Yeah, he's a little special. Yep, my friend's a little special. That's right, I hang out with special people. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Say bye, special person.
Bye.